Hi, I'm Radu Popescu. In a previous video, we talked about Intune detection rules. Now it's time to talk about requirement rules. In Intune, an app requirement rule defines the criteria a device must meet for an application to be installed. The mandatory requirement rule to be set is the minimum operating system. Here you select from the drop-down menu. You can also select the space required, which comes in handy when you have big applications, physical memory required, minimum processors, and all that. Additionally, you can create requirement rules based on detection of files, registries, or even custom scripts. Let's take an example of a registry. Let's say you want to deploy Adobe Reader to all devices, but you want devices that already have Adobe DC Pro already installed. For this, you want to exclude the machines that have this specific key present on their devices. Now, let's take an example of a custom detection script to be used as a requirement rule. Start by giving a script name, then browse to the script file. This should be a PowerShell. Here we want to prevent the application to be installed on laptop devices, so only desktop PCs are allowed. If our logic installed script detects a desktop device, it will output desktop. That's why our next step is to select the output data type. String equals as an operator and value the exact output, which would be desktop. Once done, click OK, then continue with the next steps in the process of creating the application in Intune.